This mod is gonna completely transform the interior of my truck. As you can see, the headliner is drooping. The trim is all cracked. It's peeling out here. We're gonna make this look way different and better. Starting off, I have to remove all of these screws. Both visors have been removed. I'm categorizing them: visor screws, headliner screws, 1 so I don't mix them up, and 2 so I don't lose them. Also take note, screwdriver only when dealing with delicate trim, because that happens. The poor trim cracks and it's hard to find. Now these plastic trims are the only thing holding this whole headliner up. So once you take these trim pieces out, it's coming down. I almost missed the cab light. Don't forget to take that out. Headliner's out. Look how terrible that looks. I can't wait to replace that. But in the meantime, I got all of the trim out and this is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool like this. Maybe I'll just keep no headliner. Now that the material's all off, this is all the old glue that was on it. I have to scrape all of this off. Here it is, the new material that I chose, and I have it laid out right where I want it. Now, next step, I have to cut all the extra, leaving a couple inches to wrap around so it doesn't peel through the trim later on. All the excess is cut off around the edges. This is the glue I'm gonna use, not sponsored. First, I'm gonna start on one end, overlap, spray both of them, and then fold down while pressing down to avoid wrinkles. Start there. And that's what it looks like, all glued on and the sides all wrapped around. Now it's pretty much done. All we need to do is cut out the hole for the visors and the cab light, and then we can throw it in. And here it is, the final product. It's fully installed. The trim is all in. It looks absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Check out my Instagram and TikTok.